Good evening everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about Indian share market. I am not a big trader. I have started my trading since 2008 after leaving SMIT. At first I have joined in IIFL and then I have opened an account in ICICI Direct and at last in Zerodha. I am occasional trader, it's better to say. And because of this teaching job, I am not able to do trade every day. The holidays and on Monday I do trading. And what I have observed since beginning, that if you are not enough knowledgeable about the market, you will be the loser. Always my trader friends ask me one question, that do you get profit? Is that possible to get huge gain in share market? Actually, everybody comes in this trading to gain, and to gain within minimum period. Now, if you think about an option trader, actually all of us are greedy. Greedy in the sense that we would like to earn money within short period without any risk. But in share market always there is risk, and the percentage of risk is low or high, but it is there. So the question is that, do you get profit? Do you gain at the end of the year? Is it possible for you to put some money in your pocket? Or really all the people get lost? I would say that this is true. Most of the people, they get lost. Very few people like us, those who are the mediocre trader with very little money, they are the loser. They are the loser because of few points. Here I will discuss about these points. Today it is not possible to discuss all the points. One point I can discuss, and that is the habit of the trader. Suppose continuously you are gaining, every day you are gaining, and you love trading, you like trading, and you love to trade a lot, and sometimes you do the over trading. That is also one of the problem, that people do over trading. But before over trading, I would like to mention the point of habit. Suppose in one day you have traded in one stock. Let us take one example of SBI, and you are the option trader. Suppose you have purchased the option call, thinking about that the price will raise. You have purchased the nearer option strike price of SBI. Suddenly, due to some news, it has started to fall, and you have seen the loss. And in option trading of SBI, if it is decreased by 5 paisa, then 150 rupees loss. When you have noticed that your loss raised to 1500, you were thinking that let's make the average a little lower. Let me purchase one more lot to make it lower. Maybe the price will turn back. And you have done. Then you have noticed again 1500 loss. So total 3000 plus 1500, 4500 loss. And you have purchased one more lot. Gradually it is going down. Your hand was not moving to book the loss. This is the problem of the trader. Psychological problem or habitual problem, whatever, but this is the main problem that a person get lost. So what is the reason behind it? At that moment the brain does not work, or the hand does not move, or the mind does not say that to book the loss. And gradually that loss raised to more than 15 or 20,000. And then the person thinks, oh, this loss is too much, now I should book. In this way, one day he noticed that his all principal amount gone. Is there any way to remove this kind of habit? So in our trading training class, we train the traders how to remove this type of habit by practicing or by training every day in the evening from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. doing some activities. So you can join. If you like this video, then like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.